Welcome to another Ask Henna Sooq series where I get to answer some of your pressing questions about henna hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and even about henna and jagua body art. These questions this week are really interesting, so you do not want to miss out, so you better watch to the end. So welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm the founder and CEO of this amazing brand, and I'm an expert in henna hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and I'm a henna and jagua body artist. So welcome. Remember, you can ask your questions down below in the comments and you may get selected to get an answer directly from me. In the meantime, if you have a pressing question, all you have to do is go to hennasooq.com, click on the live chat icon in the very bottom right hand corner. You can reach one of our experts right there on the spot, so take advantage. So this first question is about using indigo and jagua to get the richest, like bluest black tone. And they're saying that when they want to get that blue results, would you suggest indigo and jagua? Also for the jagua, would you suggest using the gel or the juice or the paste? Would you need to use water or would jagua be enough? To get that beautiful bluish tint even faster than that other method where you're doing a two-step process and you're building that up, what you can do is add jagua juice. I wouldn't recommend the gel and I wouldn't recommend the paste because those are diluted forms of bases using the jagua juice already, so you're already stretching that out. We want full jagua potential, the pure juice. So that juice is what's gonna push that bluish tint. So when you're using indigo, yes, you could use the jagua juice. Mind you, we haven't done a lot of testing of it here at Hennasooq yet. Like, it works well with that henna, but the indigo, we're not really sure what that effect will be fully. But if you're gonna test it out, you gotta let us know. But we'll be testing that out soon because we're really curious about giving some people some bluish tints right here in the salon in Columbia, Maryland. Question number 2 is, how can I make an appointment with you for a consultation or for salon services? I can never find that info on the website. That's a really good question. We actually have a services category now right on the hair page that we have where all the hair products, and we also, if you click body art up top, we also have services tab there now also for services for henna body art. The easiest way is that you may want to just scroll down to the footer of the website. Once you're at the footer, there is actually a tab that says, like in the categories there, book a consultation, and the one has henna hair services, so you can click on those and get access to the calendar and availability for appointments for you. So I hope that helps. And the final and third question is, does henna make your hair thicker? If so, how? So henna naturally has a thickening property when it comes to hair strands because it coats your hair strands. It gives it a sense of fullness. And a great alternative to that, if you don't want the reddish tint like that color deposit, is to use a Ziziphus powder. So I hope that really helps. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our great videos. And I'll see you next time.